chocolate. Is it good?
Grandma's hot chocolate.
Grandma's hot chocolate. Yeah, and there's Grandma Donna. And here's the chick magnet again. Ooh, too much of a close-up there. Oh, too much. We got a nose.
Oh, young lady.
Too much.
I know, that's my old man impersonation.
That's your old man impersonation. Woo! And here's Miss there's Miss Angie. Woo, too much. Trying to get down tonight. Okay, fellas, here it is, the Brewers. I don't know what they're doing, but they're trying to do something out there. All right. Yeah. Let's rock it. Let's rock and roll here, man. Look at that. What are you doing? You're drinking, the Power Zero drink here. Oh, the Powerade, man. Powerade, look at that. That's a commercial for Powerade.